guys, Koi Kill Girl here back. Welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be recording or playing Yandere School. So this is a game I first played when I was first starting to get developed, and this was an awesome game for just beginner game. Sure, it wasn't as well, but it was a very good starter game and everything, and I loved it, and it had updated and become well started. So reason why I'm in the bedroom right now, or in my bedroom right now, is because I tried recording many times before and it just didn't want to work. So I'm just trying again, and it's like take 5 right now, or take 6. So let's try this again. Now I'm only doing chapter 1 today, and if you want me to play again, leave a like down below. Yandere School by Teen Gate Games. Do not reenact the events done in this game.
I've been following a boy from class 3-1. His name is Makio Sono. I didn't realize that I was in love with him until I overheard the other classmates talk about him in front of me.
Makio Sana.
So, you broke up with him? How old was he again? 35?
He was so clingy. I need someone innocent. What's the name of that cute boy we saw earlier? Was it Makio Sono?
That's our senpai.
Yes, him! You want to ask him out?
Why not? I will ask him out tomorrow after classes.
I'm going to stay with our senpai.
I can't let that happen.
Just look at the bloodshot in her eyes.
I must kill her.
Yes, we must kill her. I'm just wondering when we pick up the shovel, or does it disappear too? See, look, where does it disappear to? Oh my gosh. Okay, so everything looks much better updated. Like, the trees look more realistic. A lot of things do not look 2D now. I like the update and everything. I love it, actually. Everything looks 3D. Let's look in the school, and everything looks fine now and everything. The vending machines look more realistic, and they had Japanese snacks in theirs. Ohayo gozaimasu, classmates. How are you doing? Let's listen on to the teachers. Let's just listen to teachers. What do y'all have to say? Nothing? Nothing?
I will announce the new test today. The last test results were barely average.
She called y'all
I
stupid.
started smoking when I became a teacher.
Well, dang.
If only I got paid better.
Well, dang.
She must be somewhere near the cafeteria or entrance.
Well, dang. Life cannot be that depressing. I hate school so much I started smoking when I became a teacher. Man, I hate life. Man, I wish only I could end my life for some reason. Man, well, I get smoking. I'll get lung cancer for some reason. Smoking's bad for you kids. Never smoke. Let's talk to these boys.
Hi, the computer club. Let's
Yeah,
make
let's
our
talk
own
to them.
operating system.
Let's talk to them. Yeah, let's talk to.
Oh my god!
This is the end. I
Oh,
have to focus on my target.
that's the kill button. You alright, buddy? You alright? So let's restart the game. Well, that's a new update as well. Oh my gosh.
I must kill her.
No, we can't let this happen. And let's not kill the wrong target this time. Let's get the shovel and kill this girl. Just walk normal. Just get out my way, dude. She'd have to come out of school at some point. Okay, let's eavesdrop on our conversation.
Did you watch the popular drama last night? Meanwhile, I was video chatting with some guys.
You a hoe?
I'm tired of studying. It's boring.
I'm going shopping this weekend. I'm thirsty. I need a drink.
This will be your last. If you even couldn't reach the vending machine to get your drink.
You shouldn't bring that to school.
Yeah, I shouldn't. Yeah, I shouldn't.
I must bury the body.
Yes, I should. Oh, that glitch. My knee just gone through the ground. So now I can pick her up, because when it first was developed, I could just drag her. And now you can see the glitch that the skull is seizuring. Real hard. Okay, let's drop her. That noise. Okay, let's bury her. Where did that car come from?
I'm ready to confess my feelings.
Okay, then. That feet just glitched into the ground, but okay. Where is my senpai, my only senpai? You will be my... Hello. Senpai! Senpai.
Sono-senpai?
Sono senpai?
Nani, what's up, Akari-chan?
What's up? Why does he say what's up?
Like a cafe
Okay,
or
if
something.
you can understand a little
After
Japanese
school?
word, especially
Sure,
that basic
I'm
word
feeling
nani,
hungry.
it means what in Japanese. So why is he saying what's up? What the heck does that makes no darn sense. Okay, so we're going to a cute little tea spot.
This is a nice place. Thanks for inviting me.
I've been wanting to say that I love.
Aw, confess to her senpai.
Ow! It's hot!
Oops, I'm so sorry.
Don't worry about it. I'm just going to run and change my clothes.
Aw.
It was a hard
I freaking hate you.
day. I've got to rest now.
See, I would have been more happy if they would have made the bathroom more Japanese-like for a Japanese-themed game. Like, okay, that's actually common, but just not the toilet is not a Japanese toilet. The shower is not a Japanese shower. Like, I'm kind of disappointed in that feature, but other than that, the development has been going well in this game, and I'm quite happy about it. And that, my favorite part, this glitch right here. Oh, that's a good glitch. Well, let's go to bed. What can I buy? Can I buy any outfits? Yes. I can buy some hairs now. I want to buy my favorite hair, though. Oh, I could buy cat ears. Or cat ears. I could be Miko. I could be Miko. We our dance. Okay, I got that. My hair's down. Should I become a Miko? Or should I become a... Should I say a human? Miko, a human. Or get that cute bun. Miko. No, I don't want to become a Miko. No, let me change my hair. I want my hair down. No, I want my hair down. There we go. See, we'll look good with a Miko. But let's not do that. Let's go to bed. That's where another commercial I'm gonna throw my phone.
It was my first date and it went pretty bad. But I can't give up that easily.
No, we can't.
I'm tired. It's time to go to bed.
Yep, let's go to bed. Okay, we're having a nightmare about little school.
Am I sleeping? How do I wake up?
So thanks you guys from watching today's video. And I'll see you guys next time.